Okay, so good afternoon to all the participants. Okay, it is my pleasure to introduce Professor Dr. G.A. Hinge sir. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of Marathwada Mitra Mandal Institute of Technology and Department of Civil Engineering. So I will just give brief introduction about sir. Dr. Hinge sir graduated from College of Engineering Pune in 1997. Also completed his post graduation in hydraulics from Bharati Vidyapeeth. Also done PhD in civil engineering from Pune University in 2013. With over 26 years of teaching experience and 2 years in industry, Sir has established himself as an expert in his field. Sir has authored 72 research publications, holds 2 national patents in surveying, and has written a book on fluid mechanics. Sir has guided 150 undergraduates, 35 postgraduate, and 4 PhD scholars. Sir is a life member of Indian Society of Hydraulics and fellow of Indian Water Research Society. Sir has also delivered 50 plus expert talks and has been honored as a outstanding leader in higher education award by ILETS. Currently, Sir is serving as a principal of TSSM BSUR Pune. So please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. G. A. Hinge. Over to you, sir.
Uh,
Good afternoon and welcome, sir.
Good
I'm very
afternoon.
happy. Yeah. On the behalf of Department of Civil Engineering and Marathwada Mitra Mandal College, I welcome you for this session.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm very happy to see you here. Thank you, sir.
So, shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can
Let
share,
me
sir.
share
Screen.
my screen first.
Yes, yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Present now. My screen is visible.
Okay, now
Hello.
visible, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It was.
Yes. Good afternoon, all.
Sir, 1 minute.
At the outset, I
Sir,
would like to congratulate Dr. Khatri Chaitanya and his team for organizing a workshop on such a beautiful topic. Rather, I would say it is the need of the hour now. Uh, I'll be delivering talk on computational fluid dynamics and AI tools in civil engineering. Uh, Let me go to the next slide. Friends, this is not the last slide of presentation, but this is the end of era of PowerPoint presentation. This is what I understand. So we have to switch from PowerPoint presentations to powerful demonstrations. So now let us switch to the demonstrations.
sir,
I'm
just
directly going
hide
to
that
open
window,
the
sir.
website Google Studio. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Now this Google Studio screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Uh, yes. Before I begin, I would like to brief introduction of CFD. CFD stands for Computational Fluid Dynamics. Around 15 to 16 years back, when I started working on CFD, one of the scientists from DRDO, he taught me this CFD technique, and probably I was the first person that time in civil engineering who started learning CFD. And that person was having background of mechanical engineering. So I taught him open channel hydraulics, and then after he taught me computational fluid dynamics. So that time I used fluid dynamics (CFD) for simulation of hydraulic jump in open channel, maybe rectangular channel or in the stilling basin of at the foot of spillway. But yes, now the things have changed to a great extent. At that time, we used to prepare the geometry in the software called Gambit. And after meshing that geometry, we used to transport to Fluent, which is another software. Now it is being taken over by ANSYS. So now all these products are available in ANSYS. But yes, that time the technique was new, and we made lot of use of this technique. And afterwards, I think many of the civil engineers, they have those who were working in the field of hydraulics, they have used this technique for simulating open channel flow as well as pipe flow. uh, but now the things have become very simple. uh, I have just opened the Google Studio, Google AI Studio, and I had given this prompt: want to solve CFD simulation and analysis of flow through venturimeter. Friends, we all know what is venturimeter. Venturimeter is a device which is uh, deployed on pipes to measure the flow rate inside the pipe. Can be used for water, oil, or any other liquid, or even for gases also. The venturimeter is used. It is a very popular flow measuring device. Now, here, after giving this prompt, uh, you can see that it has generated the geometry of venturimeter, and here various parameters are given. The parameters initially they are default parameters, but yes, we can change these parameters also. For example, here you can see this is the inlet diameter, which is 0.2 meter. So we can change this diameter. This is how. So once you can vary this diameter accordingly, the geometry is also varying. So this is one of the aspects I would say. The second parameter is throat diameter. See, I'm changing the throat diameter. Either you can increase it or you can decrease it. And whatever diameter you are dealing with, the same diameter we can give as input to this calculator. Here, inlet velocity is given. Right now, it is 2.5 meter per second. But yes, you can change that inlet velocity also. You can see at the bottom, it has shown the velocity profile. This is the velocity profile in meter per second, and this is the pressure distribution. Yeah. So throughout the length of venturimeter, we have obtained this, say, longitudinal profile, wherein we can see the variation of velocity and pressure. Now, why this variation of velocity is there? Let us try to understand. Of course, those who are working in fluid mechanics, they must be knowing. But for the other participants, let me explain. Here you can see this is called as convergent cone, wherein the diameter of venturimeter or area of cross section goes on decreasing. This yellow portion is called as throat, and after throat we have this divergent cone. So within this convergent cone, as the area decreases according to equation, the velocity increases, and the same can be observed over here. You can see how the velocity is increasing. Now this is the portion of throat wherein the velocity is maximum, and after throat in the divergent cone, again velocity drops. As the area increases, velocity decreases. And exactly opposite to this is going to happen with the pressure, because pressure in the dynamic situation, pressure and velocity, they are almost opposite to each other. So as velocity increases, pressure decreases. This is the throat portion where is pressure is minimum. uh, If we exceed the limit of velocities, the pressure can become negative, or to the level of suction pressure also. But that situation or that design is avoided because it may lead to cavitation and other damages. And this is the pressure variation in the diversion portion. As you can see, the pressure again increases. Now you can also change the inlet pressure. So you can see, yeah, I am changing the inlet pressure now. So accordingly, here you can see, just a minute. Yeah, I am changing the inlet pressure. You can see how the pressure distribution varies. Similarly, if I change the velocity profile is also varying accordingly. We can also generate the AI report. And similarly, if we want to deploy the results, then of course we have to have the paid version of Google AI Studio. But for the timing, this is sufficient. Now, as a teacher of civil engineering, we have to understand how we can imbibe this technique in our day-to-day teaching, or how we can make best use of this AI tool which is available. And this is not only restricted to fluid mechanics or hydraulics. You can literally deploy this technique for design of RCC members like columns, beams, footing, anything that you want. Similarly, I will also show you the demonstration of design of column. This can also be used to prepare the calculators to find out the quantities as required in the quantity surveying. And the things are very easy. We just have to give the appropriate prompt, and the things are ready for us. Uh, Now, after this venturimeter, I will show you one more demonstration. Before that, let me see whether we can see the video. It's not available, I think. But yes, you can also get the video demonstration with this software. Let us go to one more. Yeah, new. Yeah, back to, we have to go to back to start, so that we can go with the new application. We are already in this tab that is built. Now I will give the prompt that want to solve of jump in a rectangular channel and get pressure and velocity profiles. Yes. Now you have to click on build button. Now it is searching the solution for us. इथेच थांबा, लागलं तर बोलू. Yeah, it is developing the solution. Yeah, it is taking some time. At as at the back end, it is developing certain files, as you can see over here. Friends, even you can prepare your own Android apps. I had tried one such app last week. I had given the prompt to generate the calculator to find out the quantity of trapezoidal footing, concrete footing, as required in the quantity surveying. So ChatGPT has given me the three codes. One code was in JavaScript, other was in HTML, and third CSS. So I have combined these codes, and the codes were transported to the another website wherein it has generated the web app, and after that web app was transported to web into app, another third website wherein it has created the Android application, that is the .apk file is generated, that was taken to my mobile phone and that was installed. Now it is still available in my cell phone. So friends, this is how, means you see, I don't have any background of JavaScript, neither HTML nor CSS. To some extent I am aware of C language, but I don't know about the other languages at all. Still we can build such applications, and of course we can teach our students also. We can say the revolutionizing tools available, and we have to always explore as to how we can make the best use of it. Yeah, I think we need few more seconds. I'm showing you the live demonstration of Google AI Studio. It is suggesting that visualize the simulated pressure and velocity profiles to better understand the flow dynamics of the hydraulic jump. If you want, you can add it to your Now, one more aspect that you can understand, that with the help of ChatGPT, last week one of our past student who is working in IT sector, he visited our college and he told me that he is using these AI tools in the IT industry. So he told me that the those who are working in the developing sector, developers, the job of 30 days can be done in 3 days. So that is, the speed is almost 10 times. So now of course the question may raised in our mind that whether AI is going to replace people, maybe developers or maybe teachers. But yes, so long my knowledge goes, AI is not going to replace the uh, people. It is going to replace the people who don't know anything about AI. So AI will not replace people who are having some knowledge of AI. Now here it has shown the profile of hydraulic jump. I think
Sir, sorry to disturb. Can you
yes.
hide that stop sharing so that we can see complete screen? Just
Okay,
press hide in there.
Hide,
hide,
hide.
hide, hide. Okay,
Just
okay.
click on sir, hide.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Now it is visible. Yes.
Yes, sir, it is
I
totally.
will start simulation here. Now you can see. Of course, I have to change certain parameters that I will do. Yes. Here we have the upstream depth, that is y1. This is upstream velocity, and this is downstream depth. I will make certain changes over here. You can see I am reducing the upstream depth. Now I'm going to change the velocity. Of course, it will show the variation in the velocity profile. This is the downstream depth. Yes, just a minute. Huh? Pause. Okay. Yes. Certain less downstream depth. Yes. थोड़ी जगह ये होती है. Yeah, I need certain time to stabilize the jump, but yes, this is very interesting experiment. Of course, the IITs are having virtual laboratories, but the visual aid is not available. We have to only play with the numbers, but along with the numbers, here you can have proper visualization. Yes. So uh, वेगळंच येतं ॲक्च्युली. I will show you one more thing that I had captured yesterday. नाही आला का इथे व्हिडिओ? हां, त्याच्यामध्ये नाही आला का? ठीक आहे, जाऊन द्या. येस. पॉज आले का? Yes. Now I think we are about to get the proper view of hydraulic jump, which we normally see in the laboratory channel also, rectangular channel. This is called as the pre-jump depth or supercritical depth, and this is post-jump depth or subcritical depth, and this is called as reverse roller, wherein the jump is actually taking place, and we can have the reverse flow over here. Of course, if we want the velocity profile and the maybe velocity contours or pressure contours, those also can be obtained. But of course, we have to play with this simulation furthermore. But due to the time constraint, I'm not going into the details. But yes, the hydraulic jump can be well simulated. Actually, yesterday I got some different profile, uh, and some different profile is generated today. But yes, that is the speciality of these AI models. These AI models are also learning and updating from so many simulations, and so day by day we will be having very accurate AI models available. Yes. Uh, I think we should go to the next application, that is in RCC. The demonstration of design of RCC columns. Of course, I'm not the expert of RCC, but those who are working with RCC design, they can correct me if something goes wrong. I'm giving the prompt now. Want to design a RCC column. If I give only this much prompt, it will give some default values. If we want some specific values like the width and the depth of cross section, the height of column, or even the steel, those details can also be added. But for the time being, I'm just going with the default settings. Want to design a RCC column. Yes. Again, it will take some time. Let me share with you the commercial software Fluent. That time it was the industrial version was costing around 35 lakh rupees. So what we had used was the educational version, and of course with the intervention of such modern AI tools, the things will become more easy and accessible to all of us. We have to wait for certain time. In between, if you are having any questions or doubt, you can ask.
I think if we share with the student can play and can do themselves some better things. Just we need to tell them that this way also we can do the study.
Yes.
I said that if we share with the student, I think student can also do the better thing. They can learn by themselves also. Means this is
Your
a very
voice
good
is
tool
not
if we
clear.
share with the student.
Yes, yes, yes. You can ask your students to. Yes.
Is it clear now, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Your voice is breaking, but yes. No, it's not
No, just I
clear.
want to share that the idea that what we can do, they can also do better in this.
Huh. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Okay, I will go with the full screen now. See, it has given the app name as struct gen IE. Okay, and these are the default parameters, design parameters. This is the geometry. Width is 300 mm, depth is 450 mm, unsupported height is 3 meter. The loads, that is factored load, axial load is 1200 kilonewton. This is XU moment, this is YU moment, and material it has taken M25 and steel Fe 500. Now, if you want, you can change the parameters over here, but for the time being, let me run this simulation. Let us see what happens with these default parameters. So I clicked on generate design. It will show the design over here. hopefully maybe our generation may be able to see the quantum speed also in near future, so we need not have to wait for years. So it has given this design. Uh, this uh, now it is saying that this design is safe. We will see how we can make it unsafe, of course, for the sake of learning. uh, and the AI recommendations are also available, like ensure a clear concrete cover of 40 mm to all reinforcement bars for adequate durability and fire resistance. So such recommendations are also given. The reinforcement is main steel, it is 20 mm tor, 8 bars totals, and lateral ties at 300 center to center distance, 8 mm tor. So you can see total 8 20 mm tor main steel bars can be seen in this picture. Now I will make certain changes in the parameters. For example, this axial load is 1200 mm. Uh, I will make it, say, I will make it 1500 mm. Let us see what will happen. Yeah, I had made it 1500 mm. 1500 kilonewton, and accordingly, uh, it has changed the, just a minute. तेच हे कुठे गेले सिम्युलेशन जनरेट कुठे आहे आता? हं? खाली, yeah, we have to click on generate design. So with this changed input, we had increased the load from 1200 to 1500 kilonewton. You have to wait for certain time. So maybe our students may use this kind of tool in future as a uh, designer or practicing engineers. Yes, it has given the design now. Uh, yeah, I think this design is also safe. No much change. I will change the width and depth now. Let us see what happens. I will change the depth to 150, that is 6 inches. The width is changed to 150 mm, depth is same. Let us see what happens. Sometimes I wonder that we are framing our syllabi of Pune University, but the speed with which AI tools are changing, hopefully we have to cope up with that speed in future. Yeah. See, this is the changed one, and it is saying that the design is unsafe. Of course, it is unsafe, but for the sake of understanding, we had run this case. Now it is saying that TOR 16 4 bars can only be accommodated in this design, and it has already commented that design is unsafe. So we can have number of such combinations, and with the help of which we can easily reach to the optimal design, or economical design also, without compromising the safety. So such things, of course, those who are expert in RCC, they will be having some different views on this. But yes, for the general users, this is, I think, sufficient. Uh, I will make certain changes in the concrete. Yeah, I will make it instead of 150. I will make it 300 again. Yeah, and I will change the grade of concrete. We have these grades available. Instead of M25, I will go with M40. Now let us see what changes it is doing with this change grade of concrete. Yes, it has given the new design. Now it has increased the steel. See, 8 bars and 22 torque. Of course, 22 is not the practical diameter which is available in market, uh, but it has given 8 bars, and the load is also increased from 1200 to 1500. So with this new combination, this is the new design. Of course, it is AI's comment that the design is safe, but see, the models, AI models are still learning. The more and more use of AI model will make it more and more excellent. Uh, Now, I would like to show you one more demonstration, that is from quantity surveying. Calculate volume of trapezoidal concrete footing. Yeah, this is the prompt given. Build. You can build such small applications and you can store it in your memory, and you can frequently use it as and when it is required. But of course, with the paid versions, the uh, model will become more smart. So many other features can also be included with the paid versions. See, here we are not only playing with the numbers, but the visualization is also possible. And I think that is the vital thing that is available with such AI tools. And day by day, we'll be able to get smarter tools too. But as I think Ranade sir has mentioned in his yesterday's session, that the final decision is of the user only. So we have to have some basic knowledge uh, of the things which are doing with AI models. Yeah, it is. Almost done. Yes. Yes. So this is the, you see, a dimension input, the top length. Now here, this is the picture of trapezoidal footing. This is the top area, area top, area at bottom, and there is certain height between these two areas. So these are the input parameters. Top length, uh, presently it is 0.5 meter. This is bottom length 1.5 meter, top width say 0.5 meter, bottom width 1.5 meter, and this is the height h. Now we all are aware of the trapezoidal formula. uh, it is the volume of this trapezoidal portion is h by 3 into bracket a1 plus a2 plus under root a1 into a2, where a1 and a2 are top and bottom areas respectively. Now I will make certain changes. Right now the volume is 0.65 meter cube. It is also giving the estimate of number of 20 kg bags. Yes. I will make certain changes over here. The top length, I'm changing it to say 0.9. Yes. The bottom length is say 1.5. Top width again I'm changing to say zero point 0.6, and bottom length to say I'm reducing it to 1.2 say. Yes. And the height I'm making say zero point 0.9 meter. I think we have to press it more. Accordingly, you can see the volume is getting changed at the bottom. So if I make it zero point 0.6, it is 0.665 meter cube. If I make it say zero point 0.9, then the volume has become 0.98. So around 1 meter cube is the volume. And accordingly, you can see the geometry over here in the right window is also changing accordingly. So yes, so these are the different possibilities. uh, Trapezoidal footing calculator. So I think the organizers have given me 1 hour. So almost I have explained the glimpses of hydraulics, fluid mechanics, RCC, and quantity surveying. And especially many youngsters are also there in this forum. So I hope you have ample time to explore all these AI tools. Try to develop your own AI tools also, and see how the 180-degree change will take place in this education sector, because all other fields, all other sectors are changing to a great extent, and this is the time to change ourselves also. But of course, while changing, we have to keep our foot on grounds, because basics and fundamentals always remain constant in any corner of the world. They never change. But yes, the superficial aspects can be changed, and I hope this AI tool is of great help to all our budding teachers also. So at length, I would like to thank MMIT Dr. uh, Khatri sir, Chaitanya, and all his team for organizing this wonderful workshop on this emerging topic, or you can say emerging trend. This is not only beneficial to civil engineers, it is also beneficial to our teaching fraternity, because yes, this is the right time to change, and that's why I have started this change by shifting from PowerPoint presentation to powerful demonstration. I hope you liked it. If you are having any questions, doubts, queries, you are free to ask. खाली कसं जायचं आता?
Thank you, sir. Participants may ask the question. Sir, there is one question.
I'm always
Uh, is it possible
yes.
to do anything related to BIM in Google AI Studio? From Guru, sir.
Beam.
Uh,
About beam.
is it possible to
Hello.
do anything
Building
related to
information model.
BIM?
Yes, yes. Actually, I haven't tried it yet, but yes, we can explore the things. I think many things are possible. Even the geometry. Recently, we had searched the application wherein the image of, say, if I give the image of 2 BHK flat, that image is obtained, and how to convert that image into .dwg file so that we can process it in AutoCAD. So such things are about to happen, but lot of exploration is required. uh,
Second is in RCC question, the calculation would have been
huh.
done by AI Studio based on which code, as different countries use different codes like IS
Y-
456 in
y-
India. Right.
yeah, as we are using this application in India, it has used IS 456 only as per Indian scenario.
I think, sir, we can give the command that do as per this calculation if you want to do more
Yes,
appropriate.
yes, yes, true.
It is
Yes, yes,
possible.
yes.
Yes.
If you give different code, it will perform the calculations accordingly.
Abhishek Patil, sir, you have a question? Unmute yourself, sir. Abhishek Patil, sir.
I think one question is there: can we use the AIML in solar industry, like solar ground mount projects and operations? Is it related to design of the unit or what?
Unit. He's, huh. He's answered as a design unit.
Yeah, design of the means the putting foundation or something like that.
Patil, sir.
Of course,
No,
see,
like, sir,
whenever we,
hello.
Yeah, you were audible.
Yes, sir. Like इन सोलर मतलब जो अपने ग्राउंड माउंट पे जो एमएमएस वगैरह स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं ना, उसके
हाँ
डिजाइन के
हाँ,
लिए और पूरा मतलब ग्राउंड लेआउट के लिए वगैरह यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि वो सोलर की साइट्स होती है तो अपनी वो
yes,
बहुत बड़ी होती है ना, लाइक 300 400 एकड़ के
yes,
अराउंड होती है, तो उस हिसाब से मतलब
yes.
अपन
So you are
डिजाइन में यूज
talking
कर
of
सकते हैं
planning or
प्लानिंग एंड डिजाइनिंग इन बोथ.
both? Yes, yes. Actually, you can get all the answers with such AI tools, but of course, the final decision as of now, it is of the engineer only, because the AI models are also learning and upgrading themselves day by day. and actually this is the recently developed tool. So even I have to explore so many things, but definitely we can try for anything that we want.
Yes, sir.
One more is there, sir. On which platform have you formed this software?
No, no, you directly go to Google and you press Google AI Studio. That's all. It will be opened. Yeah, if somebody wants to develop the app, Android app, then the things are a bit different. The applications which this AI tool, Google Studio AI, is developing is web app. So for developing Android apps, bit different procedure we have to follow with ChatGPT. I
Any
think
questions?
we can also ask our students to perform certain assignments related to such new things like using AI tool, maybe design, maybe some calculation. So such assignments can be given so that students will also start exploring the new things.
Patil sir is asking if any XRD and SEM image for concrete given by this Google AI Studio.
Please pardon.
Patil sir is asking that if any XRD and same image, SEM image for concrete given by this Google AI Studio. Patil sir,
Not
what
able
you
to.
want to say?
Hello, sir. May I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, if any this Google AI Studio can you given the XRD and same images for concrete specimen testing concrete specimen?
That you have to explore.
Yeah, I think, sir, we need to explore it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because this tool was recently developed, maybe within a month or so. It's quite new to me also.
Okay, any questions? Okay, then we conclude, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, just I want to say that, yeah, first of all, I'll introduce sir is my guide and the mentor, and I know the sir for doing the things differently. I know that you never do the things conventionally, and that is the example today. Also, you have shown that you have shifted from PowerPoint presentation to Google AI Studio. So we will learn a lot from you, sir, and I think all the participants might have learned a lot from you, as you are doing the thing differently. As you are the BOS member, it's our request from all the faculty that we should think how we can add this AIML in the syllabus so that student can also be explored. This conventional
Yes.
teaching
So the
of
ball is in now
civil.
my court. Yes.
Yes, sir. You are the
Definitely.
authority. That's why I'm saying we try because the conventional teaching gives the less package and less chance of civil engineering student. If we think that there should be more admission and they should learn more, we need
Yes.
to learn this advanced technique as you have shown also. So if it is possible, just put this in the
Definitely.
forum of the members. What can we do? Because our syllabus is in the phase
Definitely.
of revision. So we can.
So we had to change.
Yes, yes. Because future is only if we change, then only our student will get the good future. So it's my kind request to all the members that please think on that, and at least some part of the AI should be added in the syllabus. If it is done, I think that will be
Yes.
the success of our this FDP.
Yet we have to frame TE and BE syllabi. So
Yeah.
definitely this can be incorporated. One
Yes,
more
sir.
thing I would like to share that there must be many enthusiasts in this forum as all of them may not get chance to share their views. But yes, you have lot many things to explore. Like in our institute, we have Professor Satyajit Patil. He is always exploring such things, and he is having major role in this presentation or this topic also. He has helped me a lot. So you youngsters have lot many things to explore. That is my message, yeah, of today's. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you, sir, to you and Satyajit Patil, sir, also.
Yes,
Yes, sir, you can proceed now.
yes.
Shedgar, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Just a minute, sir.
Can
Okay.
we
As
have
we, yes, sir.
group photograph?
If I will
Yeah,
ask the
all those,
participants
if it is possible, they can start their video. We can take a group photo. If it is possible, I request to participant, please switch on your video so that we can take a group video, a group photograph. Narvara sir, once it is complete, you just inform to all.